Welcome back, traders. This is part 4 of our Forex Strategy series. Today we're going deeper. You're going to learn market structure, the foundation of every trend, breakout, and reversal. If you master market structure, you will know exactly where the market is going next. Market structure simply means how price creates higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. It's the skeleton of the market. It tells you who is in control, buyers or sellers. Uptrend structure, higher high, HH, higher low, HL, higher high, HH, higher low, HL. This confirms buyers are in control. Downtrend structure, lower low, LL, lower high, LH, lower low, LL, lower high, LH. This confirms sellers are in control. Understanding this helps you catch trend continuation entries with confidence. Your strategy already uses trendline moving averages, flat zones, breakout confirmation, income arrow. Now we add structure to confirm everything. In an uptrend, you only buy when the market forms a higher low price, pulls back to MA50 or MA100, flat zone forms. Breakout appears. Income buy arrow confirms. This means your entry is aligned with the natural structure of the market. In a downtrend, you only sell when the market forms a lower high price, pulls back into MA50 or MA100, flat zone forms. Breakout appears. Income sell arrow confirms. This gives extremely accurate entries. Professional traders don't guess direction. They follow structure plus trend line. If structure makes HH plus HL and trend line is up, only buy. If structure makes LL plus LH and trend line is down, only sell. This eliminates confusion and emotional trading. A reversal happens when structure breaks. In an uptrend, price fails to create a higher high price, breaks below the previous higher low price, closes below MA50 or MA100, trendline breaks, arrow shows opposite direction. When these appear, the trend is weakening. You should stop buying and prepare for a sell opportunity. The same works in reverse for downtrends. Inside the flat zone, structure tells you the breakout direction. In an uptrend, if inside the flat zone, price forms small HLs. Candles reject MA50 or MA100. No deep LL inside the zone. It means buyers are preparing for a breakout UP. In a downtrend, if inside the flat zone, price forms small LHs. Candles reject MA50 or MA100. No HH inside the zone. It means sellers are preparing for a breakout down. This is advanced precision trading. Your most powerful entry is when all 5 conditions align. Trendline direction is clear. Market structure is aligned. HH, HL, or LHLL. Pullback hits MA50 or MA100, flat zone forms. Income arrow confirms after breakout. When these 5 line up, you get extremely accurate buy or sell entries. This is how professionals trade. Market structure removes fear. It shows you the true direction of the market, so you don't guess, panic, or chase price. Remember, trend line shows direction. Flat zone shows the pause. Structure shows the plan. Breakout shows the decision. Income arrow shows the confirmation. Follow this system and you will stay ahead of the market. If this Part 4 lesson helped you improve your trading, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Share this video, and don't forget to join channel membership for exclusive training, private lessons, and live trading sessions. I'll see you in Part 5, where we move into advanced risk management and smart money concepts.